Okay, so this is question 1 on our review for the quiz that we have tomorrow for the probability unit. So the first question is asking you to look at a data table and to find the relative frequency for each eye color. So in order to find the frequency for each eye color, this is relative frequency, it's based on an experiment. He was asking each of the students what eye color they had. So you need to start by first finding the total number of people that were asked by adding up all of these numbers. If you were to add them up, you would find out that it would be 80. So we'll write up here that we have 80 students total. Now we need to find out the number of each individual eye color that was picked. So let's start with blue. Well, if we look at our chart, we know that there are 12 blue. But remember, probability is always a fraction or a percent. So we want to have 12 over 80 as our number. We have the total number that we're asked about over the total number of students. So let's look at brown. Brown is 58. And again, we're putting 58 over our total number of students. I'll leave you guys to do green and hazel. I think you can figure it out from there. Now part B. What is the relative frequency of a student having blue or green eyes? All that's asking is, based on this experiment done in the table, how many times were students answering yes that they had green or blue eyes? So we need to look at the blue section and the green section. So we just wanted to have one probability for the total of these. So if we look at blue, we know that there are 12. And if we have green, there's 2. So we need to find the total number of people with those color eyes, and that's 14. Now, we want to know a frequency, so we can't just leave it as 14. We need to have it over the total number of students. So again, you're putting it over 80. And that's your answer. Then, if you need to have it as a percent, this one did not ask you for percent, but others will. You divide the numerator divided by the denominator, then times 100. I'll leave that for you to do for the ones that are asking for percent.